Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers, and all dear enthusiastic learners. Today I'm going to begin with Introduction to Grammar. So, before going to any specific topic in grammar, I want you all to understand what is language. And I'm sure many of you might be knowing what is language, what are the components of it. Okay, as we all know, language is a form of communication, whether it is spoken, written, or sign language that is based on symbols, or we can say that communication can be verbal or non verbal. Whatever it is, language is a system of communication. So, when we say communication, what is communication? It is the process of passing information or understanding, that means our ideas, opinions, facts, values, whatever it is, from one to another. It can be one person to another person or from one organization to another, but it is passing of information. That is what is communication. And for communication, we need language. That's why language is a system of communication. When I say about language, I cannot ignore the word linguist, the person who studies about language. For example, we study every aspect of language, including vocabulary, grammar, sounds, and how the words have evolved over time. These all things we study, and that is what is linguistics. So, I hope you understood what is linguistics and who is a linguist. Now let's see what are the components of language. The first one is phonology. It refers to the rules governing the structure and sequence of speech sounds. So in the introduction of phonics video, I have already explained what is the difference between phonetics, phonics and pronunciation and all. So I'll be giving the link of the same video in the description box. You can watch it for understanding this concept. And the second one is semantics, which means vocabulary. And the third one is grammar, like what I am going to concentrate more on. That is what is the third part, grammar, which has two main parts, syntax and morphology. In that, syntax means the rule by which the words are arranged into sentences. When you observe a sentence, you can see that it is arranged in a proper order and you cannot arrange it anyway and call it a sentence, and that is what is syntax. Morphology is the grammatical markers like number, tense, case, or person, or it can be active voice, passive voice. Or in that case, suppose if it is she, I have to say is, I cannot say she are. We will be discussing all the rules related to grammar in the upcoming videos. Now, the last component of language is pragmatics, which means the rules for engaging in appropriate and effective communication. Like for the communication to be effective, it is not only by using words, some gestures, tone of voice. These all are important and these are called as pragmatics. So, let me summarize the components of language are phonology, semantics, grammar, which has syntax and morphology, and pragmatics. Now, learning language is very important for a person because to communicate effectively, we should have proper language. And another thing is, literature cannot exist without language. Okay, so if you are having a doubt that what is literature and what is language, or you want to know more about the difference between literature and language, please let me know. I'll be doing another video for the same. Before concluding, I just want to tell you what is accent. We all know, still, for those who are not aware of it, accent is a distinctive way of pronouncing a language, and we know that there is American as well as British accent, out of which in India, British accent we follow, right? So, one sentence, when I say, how are you? In India, we say this in three different styles. How are you? Or it can be how are you? Or how are you? From next videos onwards, we will be having specific topics of grammar. If you liked the concept, understood the concept, or if you feel that it is really helpful for you, your friends, or your family, Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know your suggestions and opinions through the comments. If any specific topic you are expecting me to do, please write it in the comment box. I'll try my level best to present it. Please be informed that we are having phonics as well as grammar in this channel.